Hey everyone, Paolo here. So welcome back to just another dang how-to channel. So this is a continuation of our Git series. On this video, we're gonna talk about branching. So branching is a way for you to develop one feature of your code without affecting the original source. So think of it as a way to develop multiple features of your main code and test it out without affecting the original code. So you could also think if you have three or more developers on your team, they could be working on separate features of your code without overwriting each other's work. So when it's time to test out their code or ready to release, that's the only time you push their code to the master code. So let's get started. So I'm on my VX Code editor here where I cloned a project, so I could drop a link on the description below for that repository. And basically branching is very easy. So if I go to git branch here on my terminal here, you would see that it's showing that I'm on the master branch. So when you clone a repository or initialize a new repository by git init, the original branch that you'll be on is by default the master branch. You could of course configure this, but that's outside the scope of this topic. And creating a new branch out of the master branch, you just say git branch, and I could say staging. If I go to git branch now, you would see that there's a new branch showing here, but I'm still on the master branch. Another way to create a new branch is in one command is I create a branch and I automatically switch to that new branch. So I could say git checkout -b and say develop. And you could see here it says that switch to a new branch develop. If I go to git branch, I'm already on the develop branch. So any code that I write here, for example, I open my page.html and just quickly write something here, say page 1, and I could commit this using -a, which is adding, and I could say m, another way to say -m, and say updated page. And you would see that summary of what happened here in the updated page. So this all happened on my develop branch. If I check out my staging branch, git checkout staging, you would see that it doesn't contain my changes for page.html. So that's how easy it is to switch from one branch to another. But be careful when you're modifying a file and then you want to switch to another branch. Sometimes Git won't allow you to do that, and you would need to either stash your or temporary save your work and then switch to another branch. So we'll cover that when we talk about merging in the future. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch out for when we talk about git merge. Cheers. Bye for now.